In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 physics problems of AAI ATC 2021 Shift 1 paper. So hope you will enjoy this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe. And if you have anything in your mind, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Let's solve the problem. So let's look at the 26th problem. That given the coefficient of kinetic friction between the trolley and the surface is 0.06, neglecting the mass of the string, determine the acceleration of the block and trolley system of the given diagram along with the tension in the spring. So let's assume the acceleration is in this direction. So this block, the acceleration would be in the vertical down direction. So this is mg and this is equal to the normal force because there is no horizontal motion. So we can write the equation of motion for the 20 kg mass, which is T minus 20 into 10 into 0.06, which is the frictional force, that is 20A, and the 3 kg block 30 minus T is 3A. So to determine the acceleration, you can add these two equations, and this whole thing evaluates to 12, and if you add this, then 30 minus 12 is equal to 17A, sorry, 23A, because I am adding these two equations, and that is 18 by 23 is A and 18 by 23 is 0.79 meter per second square. We don't even need to calculate the tension because there is only one option with the acceleration that is matching. Now 27th question is also an informative question. So which of the following is not the characteristics of electromagnetic wave? So we know that electromagnetic waves follow the principle of superposition because the fields themselves follow the superposition. That means in a point, if I have an electric field in this direction and another electric field in this direction, the resultant field is what this point feels. Okay, so it follows the principle of superposition. The next thing is the electromagnetic wave propagation does not require any material to travel, which is also true because electromagnetic field does not require any medium. It can propagate through the vacuum. The electric vector is the reason for optical effects due to electromagnetic wave. Yes, that is also true. Our eyes are sensitive to only to the electric fields. The electric fields that makes the optical effects. So option D has to be the correct answer for this problem. Now the question is, which of the following physical quantities belongs to these particular dimensions? So we have to check with all of the given options. So to check the permeability of free space, we'll use the equation for magnetic force, which is QVB, and we know for a circular ring the magnetic field B at the center is mu0 I by 2 pi times R, and we'll use the same B. So QB times mu I by 2R. I am considering only the dimension factor that are with the dimensions. So if you write the dimensions of force, that is mass times acceleration, which is Q has a dimension of A times T. By the way, A is the dimension of current. Now velocity has a dimension LT to the minus 1 times the dimension of mu0 into the current, that is A divided by L. So as you can see, this L cancels, T inverse cancels, So mu 0 has a dimension ml t to the minus 2 a to the minus 2. So correct option is permeability. The next question says a block of surface area 0.2 meter square is placed on a frictionless horizontal surface having 0.2 millimeter thick uniform layer of liquid. So you need to be very careful about the units given. So on applying constant horizontal force 0.010 kg force on the block, it begins to move with a constant speed 0.075 meter per second. Calculate the coefficient of viscosity. So as we know, the viscous force is equal to eta times the area of the liquid times the gradient of velocity. In this case, we can assume that u is the top layer velocity, that is moving with velocity u, and the ground layer is not moving, and the gradient, the velocity gradient is basically the velocity of the top layer, that is u, divided by the distance between the bottom layer and the top layer, which is y. So if you put these values, eta is f by a into y by u. F is 0.010 into 10 divided by 0.2. The thickness is given as 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3, and the speed is given as 0.075. and if you calculate this, you are going to get option B, 1.30 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now for the 30th problem, a circular coil of wire consisting of 500 turns. Each of the coil has a radius, each have radius 6 centimeters, carries a current 0.3 ampere. Find the magnitude of the magnetic field B, the center of the coil. So as we know, for a coil, circular coil, this magnetic field at the center can be found from the Ampere's law is mu 0 I by 2r, and for n loops it just n times this. So if you do the calculation, mu 0 is 4 pi times 10 to the minus 7 and I is 0.3 divided by 2 into 6 centimeters, 6 into 10 to the power minus 2, you will get something like 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. And the thing is, the answer is not matching, any of the answer is not matching, and the official answer key, it is given the answer is option D, but using the formula I am not able to get the correct answer. If you know how to reach the answer, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.